$10,000, $50,000, $100,000, $150,000 per year. You know, these are some of the numbers that seem to get bantied about whenever anybody talks about what affiliate marketers make. If you've ever wondered what's true, I've wondered that too. So what I did is I decided I was going to go ahead and do some research, and I looked at some studies because I wanted to get a real feel for what these folks are actually making. Now, in May of last year, a company named Statista, they released a survey of 2,000 affiliates. What they found was that a majority of those folks, actually 57%, over 57%, said they made under $10,000 a year from affiliate income. But roughly 1 out of 6 affiliates said they made up to $50,000, and nearly 4% said they made over $150,000 per year. Now, these are some pretty amazing numbers any way you cut it. But you know, I'm thinking that some folks out there may be hearing the $10,000 number and they're kind of focusing in on that, and what they're thinking is, hey, there's just no way I could live on $10,000 a year. Well, you know what? I don't blame you. I don't think most folks out there could live on less than $10,000. But I would also say I think you're selling yourself short. Why not strive to become one of the 4%? Why not strive to earn $150,000 or more a year in affiliate income? Well, in this video, what we're going to do is I'm going to talk about a couple of the surveys that I found, but I'm also going to give you a roadmap, a way that I believe you can earn at least up to $10,000. The rest, though, getting that $150,000 a year number, well, that's up to you. Come on! Welcome back to Side Hustle Rules. My name is Lou Reyes. Now, before I discuss how much affiliate marketers really make, I want to mention that in the description box of this video, I've got a link to my new course. It's called the Side Hustle Starter Kit, the video edition. Now, in this version, what I do is I walk you through the 8 steps that virtually every business owner must take if they want to get their business off the ground. I learned these important steps after talking to literally hundreds of business owners when I owned a chain of business-to-business magazines and a weekly newspaper. I actually got to sit down with these successful entrepreneurs and pick their brains. And what I've learned, I put it together in this course. If you want to check it out, there's a link in the description box. So now let's talk about what affiliate marketers really make. When you hear how much money affiliate marketers make, when you hear those numbers, $10,000, $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, well, right away, maybe your mouth starts watering and you start thinking, you know what, hey, I'd love to make some of this extra money. But what I wanted to do, as I said in the opening, is I really wanted to dive into this. I wanted to do some research that I could share with you so that you know exactly what the opportunities are. So let's talk about some of the reports that I found. In addition to the Statista report that I mentioned in the opening of this video, I found a report by Influencer Marketing Hub, and their report provides some pretty interesting, I'm going to say valuable information about the industry as a whole. Now, according to their report, the industry, it's growing. And it's going to grow even more. Right now, they're saying in 2023, it was approximately $14.3 billion globally. They're projecting growth to hit $15.7 billion in 2024. Now, why are these numbers important? Well, they tell me that affiliate marketing is skyrocketing. And it's not surprising because more businesses are opting for direct-to-consumer sales. And when they do this, they're reducing their costs significantly. So the growth of affiliate marketing, well, it just becomes a natural and really exciting phenomena. As interesting as I found the influencer report, those Statista stats, those stats I mentioned in the opening, those numbers really struck me. You know, it was published in May of last year, and it was surveyed, they say they surveyed 2,000 affiliates worldwide. What's interesting to me is that 57%, more than half of those folks who were surveyed, they made at least or around or up to $10,000 per year. But what was really exciting, and I think is really fascinating, is that 1 out of 6 of those folks were making about $50,000 a year, And then what they said is that nearly 4%, they reach revenue of $150,000. And to me, that means they were probably doing this full time. My guess is those folks who were doing 10,000 or under were doing it part time. But even as a part time income, that $10,000 is a good number. Now, as I said, some of you may say, God, I can't live on less than $10,000 a year. And my retort's going to be, well, you know what? You don't have to. Affiliate income, at least in my opinion and what I've learned, it actually should be one of your sources of revenue. What I know is that smart business owners actually develop multiple revenue streams. But I also want to say this, and I mentioned this already, don't sell yourself short. Why not make it your goal to become one of the 4% that earn $150,000 a year in affiliate income? At the very least, strive to become one of the 16% that earn $50,000 a year. Now, to hit those lofty numbers, to hit between $50,000 to $150,000 a year or more, it's no doubt in my mind that you're going to have to focus on affiliate income full time. Now, that's not meaning, or I'm not saying that you shouldn't have the other revenue streams coming in. You shouldn't work towards that, because you certainly should. But if you're striving to hit the upper numbers when it comes to affiliate income, yeah, you're going to have to do it full time. You're also more than likely going to have to build a team to help you. And at the very least, I'm going to give you 3 steps that I think you should follow if you want to get into affiliate income, and if you want to be successful. Now, step number 1 is to choose the right niche. Now, the niche that you choose, it should be something, anything really that interests you, something that you really know you're going to enjoy. And maybe it's sustainable living. You decide that's your niche. Maybe it's tech gadgets. It's a very profitable niche to be in, by the way, is tech gadgets. Or maybe you want to do adventure travel. One of those categories, or any category that really interests you. Because any one of those categories, they're going to have products or services or courses that you can turn into cash with affiliate income. Now, something that I did when I decided to launch my 2 YouTube channels is I focused on things that interested me. I focused on helping folks who were over 50. That's what I do with my channel, my over 50 TV channel. But I started Side Hustle Rules to help people who know they want to start a business. They want to start a side business, maybe build it up into a large business. But those are my niches. Step number 2 is to pick your content channel. Now, you've got lots of choices. You could have a niche website or a blog. You could do a YouTube channel, social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or you could do something that I really love, which is what I call the ever effective email list. It always seems to work, email lists. Now, my personal go-to was obviously building YouTube channels. Now, why did I do this? Well, I did it because I know that it unlocks what I just say is a stream of recurring algorithm-driven revenue. Consistent revenue. But here's the gem. Having a YouTube channel, it doesn't mean neglecting social media or foregoing maybe launching a blog or building a website, because those are certainly things that I'm doing or planning to do, but also building a mailing list. If you decide to do all 4, you can say, I want to do all 4 of these, Lou. You know what? My suggestion is master one before you jump into the others. Step number 3 is to craft compelling content. In the realm of affiliate marketing, content really is your secret weapon. Content is king, and mastering its creation, well, that's your ticket to success. Whether you're penning creative blog posts or producing engaging videos or using your camera skills to capture that perfect shot, your content really has got to be, it's just got to be top notch. But here's the twist. Some folks, they may call this the elephant in the room. Exceptional content, that alone, it's not going to cut it. You also need to master the art of promotion, what I call the art of marketing. It could be you're building backlinks to boost your SEO, your search engine optimization on your blog. Or maybe you're using effective keywords like I strive to do all the time with my videos. But one of the smartest ways that I know to promote your content is to collaborate with other content creators. It just makes it so much easier. You know, when you partner with fellow writers or podcasters or course creators or YouTubers, you're tapping into their audience while letting them tap into your audience. And that alone, my friends, that can be a game changer. Now, follow these steps. Follow the steps that I've outlined, the 3 steps, and I believe you could be on your way to earning a good, steady side income, or maybe, just maybe, you're earning a lot more. Well, that's all I got for you for today, my friends. I've told you what I learned about affiliate marketing, the studies that I looked at, and I've also given you a short, I'll admit it's a short roadmap to making affiliate marketing work for you, but it is a roadmap. It's a place to start. Keep watching videos here on Side Hustle Rules. Check out my Over 50 TV YouTube channel. Check out other YouTubers. Affiliate marketing really can work, and it can be a super source of revenue. Well, as I always say, have a great day, everybody. Come on!